hamburgers, which you guys will get to see today, and how I do it. I put bell peppers in my hamburgers, and it's actually good. I accidentally put bell peppers in my hamburgers one day, and turns out we actually like it. So you're gonna get to watch me roll out hamburgers. So let's get to that. Alright, so here I'm rolling out hamburgers. As you can see, we have our hamburgers. Yes, there are bell peppers in it, like I told you in the beginning. So let's start. Alright, this is how I do it. Get a nice size, pat it, roll into a ball, like so, and then you pat it out, and boom. Let's see, we're gonna do one that's a little bit bigger. Alright, roll it, pat it out. See that? We're gonna put them on this pan. And you're going to hear all kinds of noises, so yeah. Let me show you one more time. Roll it. These are very cold. Pat it. No, I'm not using gloves. I'm not that type of person. I like to feel. Although ground beef and ground turkey are the only ones I actually use my physical hands for. The rest, I be using gloves for chicken and stuff, and I'm like, why is that? But that's my personal preference, so everyone has their own. Oh, that is too big. Let me move you guys up some without you guys falling. Let's see. There we go. There. We're rolling. You see how we roll. 5 or 6 good times. And pat. Roll. These are very cold. Pat. She said make sure they're not too small. So these aren't too small. And as you can see, we have a whole thing of these, so I got a lot to roll. So because we got a lot to put on here, so I'm gonna move them up. At this point, I don't really care if they're touching, because they're gonna go on the grill. Because we are barbecuing today. Oh, my hands are cold and they're wet. Let's give y'all another angle of what we're looking at. How are you guys doing today? Especially with this quarantine life. I am ready for quarantine to be over, to be honest. I don't like being stuck in the house. But yeah, bell peppers, they just give it a different taste, the green bell peppers. I've not ever tried the colorful ones. I think next time I make hamburgers, we're going to try the colorful ones. Oh, wait, this is Cody. let it sit in the refrigerator overnight so that they could marinate together. Everything could marinate. Because we got Worcestershire sauce, liquid smoked onions, and bell peppers. Of course, ground beef or ground turkey. I prefer ground turkey, but they ain't have ground turkey. Yeah, there's one in here. Over here by the stove. But we're going to fast forward this way. Okay, I'll see you guys when I'm done. Okay, and this is the aftermath. Yes. They're layered on top of each other. Yeah. Okay, so I do apologize that I did not show you what the hamburgers look like afterwards, but they are good. They're very good. And yeah, I did not film me making my baked apples either. That will be a video in the future, but the one today would have been too long for me to edit, and I'm still fairly new to editing, so yeah. But thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment if you can, and subscribe for more videos. And yeah, I'm a YouTube newbie, but hey, who says I can't do it? And if you said I can't do it, I'm gonna still do it. So, yeah. But anyway, happy Saturday, because this is a Saturday. Love you guys, and I'll see you next video. Bye.